Students, hope you will be fine. Today we will study about the concept of array in C language. Now, what is an array? We can say that an array is defined as the collection of similar type of data items that are to be stored at contiguous memory location. So we can say that when we want to store same type of element, for example marks of students, name of students, so these are similar types, so we can store these elements in an array and the element are stored at contiguous memory location. Now let us summarize the important points about the array. Now first point is that array is a derived data type. Derived data type means actually we have two type of data types. One is primitive data type and another one is non-primitive data type. So we can say that array is a non-primitive data type. In this we can store more than one value at now we can say that it is a simplest data structure where each element is accessed by its index number. So array is defined suppose like that. Now these are the memory locations and these are the index number 0 1 2 3. So all of these elements, for example a b c d, are accessed by the index number. So this is a simplest data structure and we can say that in an array we can access these elements randomly. Now let us describe the properties of array. Now properties of array. Now first point we have each element of an array is of same data type and carries the same size. Now, first of all, understand the syntax of an array. Now, the syntax of an array is we have to give data type, then we have to give the array name, then we have to give the size. Now, suppose we have declared an integer array in which we want to save the roll number of 10 students. Now, so inside the RAM, the memory is allocated and the size of each block is of integer type. As we know that the integer takes 2 byte of memory, so all of the blocks are of 2 byte, and all the elements are of same type, means we can store only integer type of element here. Now, one of the most important point about an array is that one of the most important point about an array is that elements of an array is saved at sequential memory location. It means the elements is stored one by one at the memory location at contiguous memory location. Now, one of the most important characteristic of or property of an array is that we can randomly access the array elements with the help of their index number. As we have previously learned that suppose we have this element a0, a1, a2, a3 and a4. So this is the index number and this is the array name. So what we have to do in order to access the third element, we can directly put the statement like that: printf percentile d a of 3. So the third element is randomly accessed. We can select any element with the help of an array. Hope you have understood this one. Thank you very much.